There's one thing that every successful gaming channel on YouTube does, and it's something you've either overlooked completely or you have never even thought about in the first place. But this one thing is the reason some channels can upload a handful of videos and start gaining momentum, while other creators upload for months or even years and barely grow at all. And the crazy part is most people think the problem is that their videos aren't good enough, when in reality, no amount of amazing video quality can fix this problem. Now trust me, I know what it's like to upload video after video and feel like nothing is happening, because before I grew my gaming channel to over 10,000 subscribers, I spent years making the exact same mistake. And recently I started a brand new gaming channel from scratch, and this time I approached things differently and the results have been night and day. So in this video, I'm going to show you the overlooked factor that almost every successful gaming channels get right, and why fixing it can completely change the way your channel grows. But first, I want to show you 3 gaming channels. 2 of them are doing things right on YouTube, and the first one I'm going to show you is not. Now, we need to see what this channel is doing wrong in order to understand why the next 2 channels are doing things right. Now, I found this channel by going on to Reddit, and this person typed, "Why is it so hard to grow as a gaming channel?" And he says, "I'm a gaming channel and I started around, I want to say November, and I've uploaded quite a bit of content by then. A lot of it goes all the way up and some just go really down, and I'd say I have a good amount of subscribers, but for months on end, I'll sit at the exact same number of subscribers for a long time, and I don't really get comments or views for a while, but every once in a while I'll have a video spike and a good amount of views, and I'm starting to feel like it's just random. If other channels have good advice on why this happens or how to grow, I would love to hear it." So I pulled up his channel, and immediately you can see he has around 2,500 subscribers and 315 videos. His thumbnails visually don't look bad, so that's not the problem, and it looks like he hasn't been posting as consistently in a while, which can lead to low views if you're not making evergreen, broad appeal, high quality videos. So if none of these factors are the main reason his videos are getting low views, then what is? Well, it's one simple thing, and that is that he is not targeting the same audience with every upload. Let me say it again. The problem with It's Just Aiden and most of your guys' gaming channels is that you are not targeting the same viewer with every upload. Let's take a look at his most popular videos. His most viewed video is titled "Exploring 2025's Craziest Blade and Sorcery Mods," and that video got him 10,000 views. His next best video is titled "One of the Best Fighting Games I've Played in a While," and the game he was playing is called The Hidden Ones, which is a game based off the anime The Outcast. And lastly, his third most viewed video is titled "I Must Survive This Zombie Outbreak." This game is The Walking Dead Saint and Sinners. Now, if you notice something, each of these 3 videos target a completely different audience. The first one is about mods and the game Blade and Sorcery, which is a medieval VR game. So immediately his best video is coming from a VR game, and his second video is targeting fighting game players, and the third is targeting zombie survival gamers. So the problem is, when his video about Blade and Sorcery takes off and gets 10,000 views, the people who subscribed for that game do not care about the fighting game or the zombie survival game. And the same works all the way around. The ones who sub from the other games don't care about the other ones. Now, we're just looking at only his 3 most popular videos, but if he has 315 videos on his channel, he has most likely been making this exact same mistake for years, targeting a new audience with every upload. So no wonder when he says, "I'll sit on the exact number of subs for a long time and I don't really get comments or views for a while, but every once in a while I'll have a video spike and a good amount of views," that makes so much more sense, because his channel has effectively confused the YouTube algorithm, because now he has a subscriber pool of 2,500 people, all with varying interests. And when he goes to upload a new video, YouTube does not know who to recommend his videos to, because his own subscribers don't care about the new video. And that's going to reduce all the metrics on his channel. So his click-through rate is going to go down, his watch time is going to go down, and his views will vary depending on the next topic he uploads. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are now wondering, what is the fix to this problem? Well, it's actually simple. Choose one target audience and consistently make videos for that group of people. And I will show you guys exactly how to do that later in this video with a Notion template I made. But before that, I want to show you the 2 channels that are doing things the right way. The first channel is Fresh Gaming, and this channel has 444,000 subscribers, 1.1k videos, and their entire channel focuses on GTA 5 money methods, money guides, money updates, and money news, all related to GTA 5. So let's take a look at some of his latest videos. New The Court Center Heist DLC full info breakdown, highest highest paying heist ever. This video is focused around money. At the end of the title, it says highest paying heist ever. The next video, the best solo ways to make millions in GTA 5 online, make millions now. Still, the video is around making money in GTA 5. And if I scroll down his entire channel history, every video is around making money. It is displayed in the thumbnail and also written some way and somehow in the title, whether that's by saying high paying heist or mission, or by fastest way to make money, or in a weekly update that gives 4 times the money. Every title and every video is focused around making money in GTA 5. Even the first videos on his channel was titled testing viral TikTok GTA 5 money glitches. This is why his channel can consistently bring in 20k to 50k viewers with every video. But if one day he decided that he didn't want to make GTA 5 money method videos anymore and decided to play GTA 5 roleplay instead, what do you think would happen? Well, if you said his videos would get a fraction of the views, then you would be correct. Because although the game might still be GTA 5, the audience he cultivated does not care about GTA 5 roleplay, and the algorithm understands that. Now, the last channel I want to look at is Gilly ICU, and this is a Warzone channel that I've talked about in past videos, but this channel consistently gets 20 to 30k views per video, and he's doing the exact same thing Fresh Gaming did, which is targeting the same viewer with every upload. But for Gilly ICU, he has cultivated an audience around tactical ghillie snipers, and every video on his channel is him using a sniper, and for the videos where the main focus is not a sniper, he will phrase the title around the audience he cultivated. For example, look at his latest video, jump scaring players with RPGs and ghillie suits in Warzone. This title is phrased around the ghillie suit aspect of his audience because that is what the YouTube algorithm has come to understand his channel by. Or an even better example, this video is titled the silent AN94 ghillie sniper support build is amazing in Warzone. The AN94 is an assault rifle, but he phrases the title around it being a good ghillie sniper support weapon, and he does this throughout his entire channel catalog. That is why his channel is able to grow consistently, because each video is targeting the same audience, even though the topic of the video might change. And by topic, I just mean what the video is about. For example, he has the video about the RPG and the AN94, or his duo ghillie sniping video. Each of these videos have a different topic, but the target audience stays the same. So now that you understand what the problem is, let's identify the target audience for your channel. And to do this, you need to first go to the first link in the description and download my target viewer Notion template. But when defining your target audience for a gaming channel, you first want to start with the gamer identity. This is the first and most important step because this is the person you will create videos around. And there are tons of gamer identities depending on the game or genre you plan on playing. For example, if I want to make a channel focused around Elden Ring, as with every game, there are tons of aspects about it that people care about or relate to. So in Elden Ring, I could be a warrior, I could be an astrologer, which is basically the mage, I could be a prisoner, or any of the many different classes in Elden Ring, and then I can make content focused around that class. And it doesn't matter if the video is news, a challenge, a build guide, or whatever you come up with. The only thing that matters is that it is focused around that class. Or another example is you could create an entire Elden Ring channel specifically about melee weapons or staffs or greatswords. So then every video is about one of the many variations of that weapon. And then people will come to know you as, I don't know, the Elden Ring staff guy or the Elden Ring mage guy that uses all the different staffs. And I think you guys are starting to get the picture. And just for you guys to truly understand this, here's another example in a scenario where you don't want to play a specific game, but you might want to play a specific genre of games. Well, then you can make an entire channel about discovering secret things in that genre of games, or speed running that genre, or leveling up in each of those games. It doesn't really matter if you're deciding to play the game in a specific way or doing the same thing in each game. The only thing that matters is if every video is titled and phrased around the same audience that will be watching every single upload. So once you lock in your gamer identity, the next thing to do is list out that person's demographics and psychographics. Now, demographics is the quick one. This is usually the age, gender, and location of the person you're targeting. So if you're a Fortnite channel and maybe you for some reason want to target casual gamer dads, well, in that case, the age might be 30 to 50 or something. So after you list out your demographics, now you need to answer a few questions about their psychographics. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them, but basically you'll want to answer what their desires, pain points, and emotional triggers are. This will help you when coming up with video ideas for your target audience, because if you can understand how they think and how they feel, then you can create content that resonates with that person. For example, a gamer grinding Warzone Resurgence ranked, well, maybe that person might need a strong class setup, or they might need strategies to win, or they might need motivation to keep grinding. Maybe they might need aim tips, and their goals might just be to hit iridescent rank. So then they might be frustrated at the fact that they keep dying early and they keep losing ranked SR fast, or they're stuck at a certain rank, or they have no friends to grind ranked with. And like I said before, I think you guys are starting to get the picture, but you really want to think deeply about this, because it can be the difference between you getting a lot of views and you struggling to grow. But if I'm being completely honest, this is just the first step in creating a successful gaming channel, and it's the one that everyone ignores. But knowing who your target audience is will not get you views if you cannot come up with good video ideas. And that's what I share in this video right here. I'll see you there.